What we have here is what's called variable refrigerant flow technology. And what that means to people when you see devices that are in front of you here right now is people think most of these are just for cooling only. What these systems are systems that can not only cool, but also heat a space. These are going in a lot of school systems, they're going to a lot of small commercial systems, and there is a huge demand for technicians that have a higher level knowledge of this type of technology. It has a lot of different communication, technical specifications. It has a lot of flaring techniques involved with the piping systems. There are a lot of electrical skill sets you need to understand to make these work properly and effectively. And because of the demand we are seeing from contractors across the country, we knew that we had to have some type of system, so we figured, why not build the system? So we have two different manufacturers, and we are currently in the process of constructing each one of these for our students, by our students.